Lesson number 5, 1.5 Language Study. Naming words. Hello students, how are you? Today in this lesson, we'll learn how to answer a question in words. Such words are called naming words. Naming words are simply names of anything. Teacher asking questions to her students, and students are giving answers in naming words. Let's start. What is your name? Mahesh. Are you a boy or a girl? Boy. Who all are there in your family? Father, mother, and me. Which places do you like to visit? Mahabaleshwar and Panchgani. Which is your favorite animal? Dog, cat, and cow. What do you like to eat? Banana, apple, chocolate, and biscuits. What is your favorite toy? Teddy bear. Do you write with a pen or a pencil? Pencil. Now, we'll read one passage. The naming words we learn. We'll underline the names of people, places, things, fruits within this passage. Today is Raju's birthday. He is getting ready for the school. His mother gives him a mango plant in a pot. All his friends wish Raju in the school. They sing happy birthday with their teacher. Then the teacher takes them to the backyard and plants the mango plant there. Everyone claps for him.